Hey, welcome to another video. Today we box Camping 2. Last time we were on camping,
Yeah, I found
Mister
it.
with chicken
Fine. Look,
killed us.
look, I found it.
Oh my god, look,
Okay, it's a bit. Oh, it's on. Magic. Put it on.
Let's go this way,
Yeah, let's
guys.
go. Guys,
One over here.
come over here, come on.
No, there's one. There's an empty one over there.
If I go to the empty one again.
Over here, see, there's empty one.
You guys here? Found
Yeah,
us?
we're
Yeah.
there. We're there. Wait for you to go.
Hi guys.
Oh yeah, I thought you could go.
What the yak?
I'm
No.
actually alive this time.
Yeah, this time you hopefully survive.
Then
still
We've
alive.
never played this one like the other
We
Oh,
one.
want
yeah,
to
I'm
stop.
sorry.
One.
I swear.
But we haven't-
this time, guys.
This one we have not played before.
I'll be really nice to you guys.
And last time it sounded like Mr. Chicken knew it was happening.
What? What do you mean?
Yeah, you sound like you know Terror Park.
Oh, wait a bit. God.
What?
What's this supposed to be?
Guys, I'm stuck on the other side.
I think it's
I
supposed to be
did a tent. I was so confused.
Oh, what is
That's
this?
a pen.
Oh, I see something.
Who are you?
Oh, guys, it's the guy from before.
What?
He
Why?
what he got a deer. Guys, ride him.
No.
Let's go, guys. Don't let me ride you.
Haha!
Not in a weird way.
Oh, this to its fine.
What did the sign say? Bathroom, okay.
I got beat to it as well.
This place looks worse.
Hey.
Half of us. I backseat one.
I dipped its bed.
I can't even get. I'm too fat.
Oh, that's
Okay.
I dipped
go in the
up
bathroom.
one.
Guys, 5, we need to get to the bathroom.
Why are we going to the
I don't know.
Why
I
not?
don't know.
Oh, that's all. Go to the bathroom.
Look at that.
The hole.
Oh. Hello. How everyone's supposed to bottom.
Oh, I'm gonna bet there's gonna be a monster in the mirror. I bet that.
I'm gonna
I
go see
will. I'd
that.
expect so. Yeah, let's go check out the.
Where are you guys?
Oh,
A mirror?
yeah.
There's 70-minute monster in the
100%.
mirror. Spy! It's a monster.
Me.
See it over here. Over here. See.
Does really look dirty, for sure.
Yes.
I knew it!
I knew. I've always said it, Mr. Chicken.
I'm being hung. I was just hung.
What?
No, Daniel!
The pink
I said.
No, the pink guy. I saw the pink girl. The pink girl was dead for a second.
This person was dead, and this person.
I was hung. I was hanging from
Where was
the
I?
ceiling.
I couldn't even see myself. Was I on the wall?
I couldn't see us on the wall.
I don't like it. Get me out.
Come on,
I think I was.
No, where'd you go?
I was pushed against the bloody wall, dead. I can get on the roof.
Where do we go?
No, I'm Spider-Man.
The hole. I'm gonna go to the hole.
Guys, I'm on the... Oh,
Oh.
my hole.
Oh, I can't go to the hole.
You can't.
I'm a bit scared. I saw myself hanging. I was hung.
I didn't see. I
I
couldn't
was
see a
stuck,
pink girl
I
being
was stuck
her.
against the wall. Like legit just
Right.
sitting.
Okay.
Mystery Devil, let's go.
Let's go to our cabin. Unless you tell us if we go.
Ah, so it's
Cabin's over here, guys.
Which one are they gonna be in?
I don't
So
want
this-
to be in the tent.
Come on, come
Oh,
on.
I'm
I'm
Steve
in this.
Oh, I'm at a cabin.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, I'm in a cabin. I'm fine.
This is the
Just
boy
t-shirt.
spot. Chicken.
Okay, just a second. Go on. No.
Oh god, I don't like this.
Why do we have to be here? We're gonna be the ones who die, Spy.
I know, this is like...
This guy's got a health
Okay,
kit.
then,
This
Daniel,
guy's
go
got
to
a
the
health kit.
bathroom.
This guy's got a health kit.
Bye, Daniel. I hope you come back. Please don't die. You were with us last
Spy, I
time.
don't
You
like
left
it.
us.
Listen, I don't like it. That's why
I
over there and it went out.
don't. I feel like we're gonna die because.
I feel like yeah, no, we're
and then
definitely.
the
I feel like oh,
What's happening?
No! 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 No!
Run, guys.
Run to the cabin!
No!
Five,
Come on,
run!
can
He's
hear
got
ya.
gun! Five, run!
Fish Spy's dead.
My God!
Oh, you're saying that, Axe.
Alex, shut up.
There you go. Message from Dairyman. Get inside the cabin. You said us to get inside the cabin. Spy.
It's a
Why
mine
you
with a
dead?
gun. It's a mine with a gun. It's a mine with a gun.
Don't be knocked out. Did you kill that guy?
I knew we were gonna die.
He
first,
killed two
you
people.
silly.
No.
Got tents in the building.
No.
Like,
No.
Guy, don't worry, we've got
I
chicks
think
left.
he's gone. Oh, no.
That was scary. It was a mine.
Watch people die.
Oh,
Who is that guy? Who was that?
Spy. You can't
What's
say that
that?
wasn't really so scary. Think about the
It
forest.
was-
You need to read the sign. No, read it,
That was-
Misty. It's you.
That
Beat it.
at the tent. Where's Dennis? Oh, we lost like 2 guys.
Oh,
We lost one.
I
We
bet
lost
Oh,
one.
yeah,
Daniel's
Dennis
the
went-
killer.
yeah,
No,
Dennis
I bet
went to the
Daniel's
bathroom
the
and
killer.
forgot.
I bet Daniel's the killer.
No, it's Dennis, I think. For sure.
Dennis, yeah.
What's it, Daniel?
It's Dennis.
Either way, I
Did we-
bet he's
Dennis
the
should-
killer.
You can
Hey,
go
this
to the
is
bathroom,
expensive.
though. Oh, yeah, we can all sleep here.
Oh,
Where do I think you go?
Daniel.
Oh,
right. No,
What if our
he's
friends
the
just
killer.
disappeared?
I don't trust him.
He's a killer, absolutely.
no, we were not telling scary story. What did you do?
No, we were attacked at the tent and we ran here. There is someone out there.
Like, can we throw him
Sure.
out of the mine? That's definitely a mine with a clown.
Get
I was
out,
I,
or I'll snap you out.
no, he didn't kill us while we're sleeping. I don't want to sleep.
Good night, guys. I'm sleeping.
No, I don't
What
want
the fuck?
Honestly,
There's only 4 of us
I
left,
know he's-
anyway.
We know he's the killer. He's gotta be.
to.
I'm gonna trust him for now. Daniel seems to be taking this all very lightly.
Yeah.
You might.
Let's
Suspicious.
go find him. Well, he's not very far
Okay,
away,
Bumblebee
thank
girl,
you.
nerd.
Only 4 of us.
You do go
See
left,
ya.
guys.
I'm staying.
Who's Oh, we're gonna spawn to the 4th hill.
Someone gonna, you gonna push us off, are you? Oh yeah, I will do it. Yeah, I will give him.
What?
I'm gonna dog treat.
I don't trust him at all. We'll
You
push
might
him
get
off.
Infinity
Hell.
Stones. Try.
You might get an infinity stone.
I can
Or
push one
stone.
if you
On
want.
a stone.
I can push one if you offer the souls.
No, we push Daniel off side. And then we get you a stone. You get stuff like a stone.
So you're not coming with us?
Oh, you get-
Okay then.
Oh yeah, you got the stuff. Dude, I thought you were coming. You said you'd give us a treat. I thought you'd be
Indeed,
there.
oh.
I think he wants us to buy.
Oh, absolutely. I thought we already said no.
Watching him.
No, but like on this. He said
Absolutely, yes.
You
You
know,
know,
if I
we
failed
could
us.
have-
I don't want to fail.
I'm
No.
very
Guys, wait for me.
I mean, I'm
No. Oh, I was really dead. I nearly fell. That was right.
Yes, I'm
Oh
I don't.
no,
No. Nah. Daniel's over here. Hey, Daniel! Yeah. Hey, Let's do it now.
You're dead. No, don't do it.
May as well, you know. I'm hungry.
I'm not eating. I feel like
One of
taking
us
it
is
there.
poison and it's gonna be me again. Yeah.
As long as we're sitting near Daniel, it'll be okay. Because I mean, he's not like this in my
I
mind.
thought you said he was a killer.
Yeah, but he can't change. Unless he's with us.
But we're
I
good
bet
back.
one of us is gonna wake up dead because we had 3 poison.
Obviously, yeah.
Alright.
Like, we
I
know
don't
he's
like
not dead.
it.
But we're
I want you
sleeping
to get
again.
a person. Not us. We got a 3 in 4 chance.
Oh,
Why
I'm back at the camp.
great.
No.
Never mind, we're all
Why?
here.
He wants us to be here so we can die.
Or not.
Let me guess, Daniel's gonna go toilet.
Spy! Spy guy, we should be traumatized here.
No, I'm inside the green. I'm inside the green.
Spy, I think we should be traumatized to be in here. And
Soon you guys.
Ice cream sound.
All of us are here.
I love how it's all in
Yeah,
one
no
turn.
one likes you.
Go away, Daniel. Yeesh.
I bet she
I'm
died
pushing
now.
him out. Come
Do
on,
it, fine.
let's see you, Daniel.
See you become mine.
I love how this is working.
I bet if
He's
you stay
actually
ahead, go spoil it.
Come on. Come on, let's push him quick.
Let's kill him. Sacrifice.
Well, he went out.
The rain stopped. Die.
If it's not him, I'll be surprised. Where you going?
Looks like someone ruined that fire.
Oh no, I bet
Oh,
I know
you
what's gonna
did.
happen.
What
You're
then?
gonna
I
go
have to
look-
go get some
Gonna make us
time.
look for sticks. Knew it.
Aw.
Okay, go. Get safe for dumb.
Stick together. Come on, spy.
Yeah,
I can't.
right.
Let's
We'll see he stays there to change his
Do it.
costume, maybe.
We do it together.
You want me to
first.
watch him?
No, because he's
No,
probably
definitely you'll
gonna
die. Oh, I see a piece of wood.
You get that one. Wait, check over here. What's this?
Did you do that?
Oh,
Oh,
wait.
a trap. I got hit by a trap. Yeah, there's traps in the
Yeah, I'm in back.
I'm gonna die.
When you-
Can I
Daniel.
I found a piece of wood over
sandwich?
here.
Watch out.
Ah!
Oh,
My back.
I ain't going past the tree till I check it fully.
Wood.
Come on, we only need one more piece, then we can head back.
I got it.
Who's this girl? Okay. Yeah, maybe for a mime. There's gonna be a mime.
Yeah, mine would be funny to watch right now. But
So
not really to
funny.
kill her.
I'm just eating. I'm getting
Well, I'm gonna get
inside.
10%
I can't lose
life
any
if
more
we-
health. Actually, maybe it heals us. Never mind.
But no, it doesn't.
It's so Daniel! You were just. I see.
Hey, she's up in the blue tent. What?
It's a blue gun.
It's a gun.
Daniel left the gun! Daniel left the gun. I'm going in the green one!
Oh, I said it. There's a gun in here. I want to pick it up.
Right, I'm staying with you.
I shoot myself.
No.
It's light. I
No.
don't like it.
I'm gonna wake up there. I know it.
We
I
need
know
a
it.
gun
I know
shot.
it. I know it. I know it.
Oh, I'm
what?
gonna die.
You see?
No, I'm dead. I got
Oh,
the gun.
you are gonna kill
I'm
yourself.
by the gun.
You
My
are
sister's gonna.
Yes, get
Where
that
you
fire.
in, mystery?
Kill
I'll
him!
let you down.
Fire!
I'm shooting him. I did.
It's so true,
Mystery,
though.
what are you doing? No, don't.
Do it!
I don't like
Don't
Daniel.
do it.
Do it!
Just shot him. Didn't hear it. but you shot
What if it is Daniel?
I am an
It
experienced
isn't Daniel.
killer. See, this is just my past experiences. I'm just good at this.
Oh,
Oh,
it's this
no.
creepy girl from Hunter's Hall. Sure.
I bet you're gonna
I
die.
bet it's
Nice.
mystery. I bet mystery's a murderer again.
Hey,
Get away from
Bye.
me! Get out
Bye.
of my tent!
if it's me again,
Get
that's
back.
pure. That'd be pure.
You
amazing.
killed us last. You killed me and Spy last time.
I wanna go in my own tent.
It's
We're
bad.
going,
It's fine. No.
yeah, I recommend not being with him. If we can with the three of us,
Back
It should
down.
be the
if we
murderer.
won, we can.
Daniel
Trap
was
the
the
traps
main
still.
suspect.
Oh, the traps are gone.
I forgot.
The traps are gone.
Said
Did
Oh.
it at night?
I said moved. Oh, you moved the traps, did you, mystery? Just...
What?
No, that's it!
I love how we just locked the
We
cabin.
really up it.
Just to do we wait.
Ice cream sandwich. This looks like an ice cream sandwich.
I don't know. Well, you guys haven't died by it yet.
I
Mine
Ice
is
cream
a-
just died when you get inside.
I don't know what's
I
happening.
feel like I'm the leader of our camp now. But the other girls all leader, okay? Because we're all new.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm scared.
I'm so glad I got this.
I could be
Yeah,
sleeping with a killer.
Inside.
I'm
Screw
gonna
that,
shoot
I
you
can go
all
to bed
while
with
you're
me.
sleeping. I'm gonna shoot you while you're sleeping.
You left the gun over down, Peter.
I did think I was gonna kill myself. I just didn't buy the gun.
Devil.
Yeah?
I think we should
You're
go
inside.
to the
Shut the door.
and shoot him.
Shut the door.
Yeah,
Shut the
I
door.
think we
Shut the door.
should.
Shut the door. 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 Shut the door.
Mystery, can I have a look at the gun?
Why? Yeah, okay. Have a look at this now. I want the door shut. Please, someone shut the door.
Maybe you
He's
should go
locked us in.
outside.
I locked you guys in. I wasn't gonna stay.
Look, I'm gonna see a mime. Don't like it.
I was there.
Right,
What?
I looked inside her face and then I saw like a red bar at the side of her hair or whatever it is, and I thought it was an eye of the monster.
Oh
See that
yeah.
red thing on the side?
Oh. Ah!
I don't know where the hole is.
Oh,
Hold to your right,
The
to your
hole's this
right,
way.
go, go, go. Spike
Spike,
gonna
you
die.
die. Oh, this way, this way, quickly. Come on, Spy, you can make it. There, to your left,
Go Spike, go, go, go.
no!
No! Another one.
Spike, you get spots again. Oh,
You're
she
so
did get
close.
stabbed by that mime. Oh,
I was stranded in it.
you know, bite
the
sleep.
stream again.
Yeah. Did this guy did a fat post here?
Fine.
It's obvious it's here. Don't like that music.
Maze.
Oh, push by.
It's a maze.
Oh. Oh.
Mining away. I don't know what am I not mining anyway.
Wait for our teammate to get here.
Come on, girl.
Hang on, I'm just gonna mute my mic because there's no relevant bit in the.
You're right for now. You can still watch it at least. Come on. Oh, you go. It's nice, huh?
Yeah,
You don't have
that.
that talent friend.
I can go. Yes.
Ooh. Got hit by
Oh, done it.
the orphan's dead.
Yeah, I
Right,
think he
what did
died.
you do? Serious in it.
No.
Shot it.
It's me again. It's us again.
Oh. Go up.
No. Faster. Oh, he's here again.
Oh,
Trying to
yeah,
help
before.
again. It was actually me. Oh, I
What
killed a
did
guy. I killed an innocent man.
Why'd you kill that because you were completely wrong?
Shut up.
Why are you doing this to us?
Apparently, I don't like talking.
Oh no.
Oh, do you know
Do you
who
know
I
who
am?
I am?
This
No,
is
we
my
do
story
not.
now. It's gonna be left outside.
It's Daniel, isn't it? Please
It's gonna
don't
be
kill us.
Spy Guy or something.
I am Zack Nolan.
Oh, he's gonna kill the last guy.
Zack! Ah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a good day watching that video.
Why do I feel like a sad story at the
Well,
end?